Hello friends, in this video we can study about the subject Math Second, topic similarity, and name of the concept is basic proportionality theorem and its converse. Basic proportionality theorem. Statement of this theorem. See on the screen, if a line is parallel to side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. For this statement, we can draw the figure. See on the screen, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can draw the line L. And this line L is parallel to the side BC. And this line L intersect side AB at point P and side AC at point Q. This is the given terms with respect to this statement. In triangle ABC, line L is parallel to BC and L intersect AB and AC at point P and Q respectively. Next, to prove concept. After then statement, this is the to prove concept. Line divides the side in the same proportion, means line L divides AB in two segments, AP and PB. Similarly, line L divides the AC in two segments, AQ and QC. Therefore, we get the to prove concept, that is AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. This ratio is same, means sides are in proportion. To prove this concept, construction is necessary. Draw PC, segment PC and segment BQ. Observe the figure. We can this construction by using dotted line into the figure. To prove this concept, we can write the proof of the theorem. You know that the first concept, ratio of area of two triangles. Observe the figure. Triangle APQ and triangle PQB. In these two triangles, observe these two triangles. Here we get in triangle APQ, AP is the base and QQ dash is the height. With respect to base AP, we get QQ dash. This is the height of the triangle. Next, in triangle PQB, PB is the base and height. Which are the height of this triangle PQB, QQ dash. To understand this concept, you know that in obtuse angle triangle, where is the height of this triangle? If we extend the side, that is the base, then height of this triangle, suppose A, B, C. In this triangle, height is outside the triangle. This is the height of the triangle ABC. Here this concept we can use into the triangle PQB. Here QQ dash is the height of both triangle APQ and PQB. Therefore, height is same. Then you know that the result, ratio of area of two triangles. Here area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB, this is equal to AP upon PB. Observe the figure. Here QQ dash is the height same in both triangles. Therefore, ratio of the corresponding two triangles is equal to AP upon PB because height is same. Next, similarly in triangle APQ and triangle PQC. Next, similarly triangle PQC and APQ. Here in these two triangle, PP dash is the same height. Therefore, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ upon QC for the same height. AQ and QC are the base of the two triangle AQ and QC. These are the base of the two triangles, and PP dash is the height of the triangle. Therefore, this is the second equation. First equation is AP upon PB. Next, another one concept. Observe the figure and observe the two triangles. Which are the two triangles? Triangle BPQ and triangle CPQ. In these two triangle, line L is parallel to BC. Line L is parallel to BC. Therefore, height of the two triangles are same, and PQ is the common base. Therefore, in these two triangle, base and height are same. Therefore, you know that the third equation, if the base and height are the same, therefore area of the two triangles are equal by the third condition for the first concept, ratio of area of two triangles. From equation 3, we have to take the numerator of the equation 3 of the both side, that is area of triangle APQ. This step, that is, you can use in the multiply both side by same factor. Similarly, we have to take the numerator of the both sides is area of triangle APQ. We get the equation number 4. This is suppose equation number 4, and from equation 1, 2 and 3, equation 1, 2 and 3, see on the screen, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. This is the equation 3. We get the from 1 and 2 AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is the to prove concept of the theorem AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is the proof of the theorem. Next concept, converse of BPT. Only statement of the theorem we can study in 10th standard. Converse means interchanging the given and to prove of the given statement. This is the converse of the theorem. Converse of BPT, statement of this: a line is divided any two sides of a triangle in same ratio, means ratio is same. Which ratio? AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. And then the line is parallel to the third side, means line L is parallel to the side BC. Means interchanging given and to prove of the BPT. Here observe the statement and given and to prove of the BPT. This in BPT line L is parallel to BC, and to prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Interchanging these two concepts, given and to prove, we get the converse of the BPT. That is, interchanging we get here AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. Then to prove that line L is parallel to BC. This converse we can use into the example. How to use? When the line L is parallel to BC, if the two sides are in proportion, then the line is parallel to BC. This concept we can use into the example. Understand the solved examples depends on this concept BPT and its converse, and these solved example write into your notebook and solve the practice set 1.2. Thanks.